everybody, and welcome to my channel and my video today. Thank you so much for joining and watching my process for creating today's painting. So today I am painting a fox with a mermaid tail. I have done foxes before, but not too much. I love getting to do different types of animal commissions because it really helps give me practice doing different animals. As you know, I do a lot of bunnies and I've done a few other animals a couple times that I've had a good bit of practice with, but this person had me do a fox, and they also had me do an otter with a mermaid tail, which you will see in an upcoming video that I will be showing the process for. But yeah, so she requested to have a gold and green tail, so that's what you'll see me doing on this little fox today. So I figured I would just give you guys some updates while you're watching this video and watching my process. So I hope everybody is staying very safe and healthy and all that, and just staying home as much as you possibly can. I know this is a very scary time, chaotic time for everyone right now, and I just really hope that my videos and my art can give you a little bit of just comfort and peace for a time, especially now. It really, what's going on now really encourages me to make videos, because they really help me escape when I watch people's content I really like. And you know, any kind of content helps with that, whether it's a book or a movie or YouTube videos, whatever. So plus I've had more time to work on videos, considering I've had some events get canceled, of course, but I'm still keeping very busy with my artwork at home. And I'm really glad about that, because I think keeping yourself preoccupied and busy is very, very important right now. It can be hard to do if you're out of work right now, but this may be a good time if you have any projects you want to work on at home, or if any hobbies you've been interested in, anything like that. So I just kind of wanted to say that I hope my videos is something that you all can enjoy and to take your mind off things for a little while. And I also wanted to just say, if you are able to, artists and those with small businesses are especially having a hard time. Everyone is, of course, but even doing something as simple as sharing some of your favorite artists' work on social media, or following some new artists, shouting them out. You know, if you're able to, of course, purchasing any of their work that they sell, like any of their merchandise, if you're able to. I know many artists are doing sales right now. I myself am with my Etsy shop. But if you're not able to, like I said, even just shouting them out on social media, sharing with friends, that really, really helps a lot. So yeah, just wanted to let you all know about that. I'm updating a lot with my stores right now, and very busy with working on my art. I also got the new Animal Crossing game I've been playing a lot of, and as you can see, I've been uploading playthrough videos of it, so I really hope you enjoy those too. And I guess, yeah, that's it for now. So please enjoy watching the rest of this video and stay safe and healthy.